Stop coming to church just to charge your phone and power bank. People carry power bank of their neighbor, of their younger sister, of their elder brother, of their father and mother, and their own. They carry extension to church. They even go, their neighbor even submit his phone. And they carry it like that. And they are looking for space. He said, create space. Just find me space. Let's go to media department. They didn't come to church to worship. In church, chargers are more than prayer body. Phone chargers are more than prayer body. You turn like you see charger. You turn charger. Extension box. One day I came to church. I went to media stand. I saw one socket, like 4 chargers. I said, what is all this? Are we charging phone here? We are charging our spirit. Remove that thing now and don't let me see it again. They didn't come for God. That's why once their phone is full like this, they carry the thing, they go out. How can you leave your house, dress up, wear cologne, and you came to church to charge? Meanwhile, your spirit is not charged. People labor to charge their phone, but their spirit man is not charged. Some people even charge their phone overnight, but they have never prayed overnight.